Are you currently in the market for a battery backpack sprayer and you're not sure where to begin? Well, this video is going to break down the 4-gallon ALIENTABI backpack sprayer for you. I'm going to do an unboxing video, go over some features of it, and then show you it in action. Let's get this open. So this is everything inside the box. You have the unit itself, you have the pole, the battery charger, the battery instructions, the self-cleaning adapter, which then you could use your collapsible bucket so you could put clean water in here and flush the whole system out to make sure that if you are doing different types of chemicals and different types of treatments, you could always make sure this is clean and ready to go for your next application. So inside the unit, it did have a strainer. Inside that strainer, there's a couple little parts. That one's gonna hold the nozzle in place. Here are your two different types of nozzle heads. And then again, here is a fine spray nozzle. Now, what we need to do is fill it up with clean water for the first go around, so that way we could make sure everything functions properly. Right outside the box, let's see, it comes with 1-bar battery charged. So I'm gonna try to put this on charger while I am talking to you and setting this up. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but it is blinking green. So it's not solid yet, which means that the battery still needs to charge. Let's connect this. All you have to do, there's a gasket on the end of here. Twist on, grab yourself some pliers, and just tighten it up. Now that's not going to go anywhere. Next up, we're going to be installing this little area to store the nozzle. The nozzle has a quick disconnect, so if you wanted to put on a tip, you just pull down and then slide forward, and now it is not coming out. And then when you are wearing it on your back, you're going to put the nozzle head inside the little plastic cup and you're going to push, and then that's how it's going to be stored. The front side, it's going to show you how many gallons is where. So right now you have 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 3 gallon, and all the way up on top. And it also comes with liters on the right side. It has a nice handle for you to unscrew. There is a basket inside for a strainer to make sure no large debris gets inside the unit itself. On this side, you're going to have a knob over here. Real simple. When you want to use it, all you got to do is just spin it to whatever intensity that you'd like, and you'll be ready to start using it. These backpack straps are really thick, made of foam, and super soft, so it will be able to withstand the amount of weight that is going to be used with 4 gallons, because keep in mind, 4 gallons is a little bit heavy. This is all made out of foam, which is nice. And then you open up this unit, and then inside here, you could put the battery that connects it, and then I'll usually always put the other tips to keep them all together. Now, once that's closed, that's watertight. And then finally, on this side, you're going to have either the spray function, or if you want cleaning, you're going to turn that up, and then you're going to attach the hose that you see here, right like that. Here, click in. You're going to put clean water inside this temporary bucket. And then now you're able to circulate that clean water through the system and clean it, so that way nothing happens to the internal components between uses. And then when you're done, simply collapse the bucket and then take this out and make sure you flip it back down to spray. So I think it's time now to put the battery in it, test it out, and then show you how it sprays. It's time that it is filled up with 4 gallons. I'm going to throw this on my back. I already put the battery in, and then I'm going to show you on the ground around me the spray patterns of the nozzles and about how easy it is. Now, keep in mind, you're going to use this whether if you're post or pre-treating, maybe a driveway for pressure washing. Maybe you're going to be putting weed killer around the barrier of your property, or even pre and post emergent on your lawn. This is a nice tool to have because it's battery operated and it will automatically spray whatever you put in here. All right, so now that it's up, you're able to adjust the straps on the left and right side if you need to. And then there is a cross buckle that you're gonna wanna make sure you put on so it's not gonna go anywhere. And now you take your nozzle off and you're ready to go. Before showing you what the spray patterns are, this is what it looks like. Full power, turned on by turning the knob over here. Now the pump is running. And that's what it looks like coming out of it at full power. Now, once you put a nozzle on, it's gonna start giving that nice spray pattern that you could spray down on the ground. So that's the green tip. Let me switch it over to the red tip. Now the red tip, as you can see, has more of a direct line. So if you're trying to shoot far, you're gonna pick the red tip. If you're trying to spread over a wide area, you're gonna use the green tip. Really comfortable to wear and apply whatever kind of product you are trying to disperse through your lawn, through your driveway, through your house. You might even want to put insecticide on here and do a barrier every couple months around your house, but you don't want to pump it or you don't want to have a manual sprayer. Go out, grab this ALIENTABI backpack sprayer today. You're not going to be disappointed. I know I'm not. I enjoy it a lot. This is what it looks like on. And again, it is very comfortable to wear. The handle is a nice grip. I have large hands and it fits my hands perfectly. If you're in the market for a battery backpack sprayer, go out, grab this ALIENTABI battery backpack 4-gallon sprayer today. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your purchase.